Hello friends, our third lecture, last lecture we have seen that transformation equation, general curvilinear coordinate system. Today we will start length elements in curvilinear coordinates. Let r bar be the position vector having coordinates x, y, z with respect to origin O. It can be expressed as a function of u1, u2, u3. That is, r bar is equals to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap equals to x is a function of u1, u2, u3 into I cap plus y is a function of u1, u2, u3 into j cap plus z is a function of u1, u2, u3 into k cap equals to r is a function of u1, u2, u3. The displacement of point P to P dash, P to P dash can be given as r bar is displaced from r plus dr bar, r bar plus dr bar. So we can write r bar is r bar plus dr bar. Differentiate r bar with respect to u1, u2, u3, u1, u2, u3. We can write dr bar is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u1 into du1 plus dabba r bar by dabba u2 into du2 plus dabba r bar by dabba u3 into du3. Therefore, dr bar is equals to summation over I equals to 1 to 3 dabba r bar by dabba ui into dui. Equation number first. The partial derivative of r bar with respect to u1 is obtained by varying p along the u1 curve, for which u2 and u3 are constant. Therefore, dabba r bar by dabba u1 is a vector tangent to the u1 curve at p. Dabba r bar by dabba u1 is a vector tangent to the u1 curve at p. Therefore dabba r bar by dabba u1 is equals to mod of dabba r bar by dabba u1 into e1 cap. Equation number second, where e1 cap is unit vector in the direction of dabba r bar by dabba u1. Similarly dabba r bar by dabba u2 is equals to mod of dabba r bar by dabba u2 into e2 cap. Equation number third. And dabba r bar by dabba u3 is equals to mod of dabba r bar by dabba u3 into e3 cap. Equation number 4. Let h1 H1 is equals to mod of dabba r by dabba u1. Second is H2. H2 is equals to mod of dabba r by dabba u2. And third is H3. H3 is equals to mod of dabba r by dabba u3. Equation number 5th. Equation number 5th. So we can write, therefore dabba r bar by dabba u1 is equals to h1 e1 cap. Dabba r bar by dabba u2 is equals to h2 e2 cap. And third, dabba r bar by dabba u3 equals to h3 e3 cap. The quantities h1, h2, h3 are called scale factors, and e1 cap, e2 cap, e3 cap are unit vectors along the tangent at P. The length element can be expressed as dl square is equals to dr bar dot dr bar equals to summation over I equals to 1 to 3 dabba r bar by dabba ui into dui into summation over j equals to 1 to 3 dabba r bar by dabba uj into duj equals to summation over I equals to 1 to 3 into summation over j equals to 1 to 3 into dabba r bar by dabba ui into dot dabba r bar by dabba uj into dui duj. Equation number 6. Equation number 6. Let Gij is equals to dabba r by dabba ui into dabba r bar by dabba uj. Equation number 7. Equation number 7. Then, therefore, G11 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u1 dot dabba r bar by dabba u1 is equals to dabba r into dabba r square, dabba u1 into dabba u1 square. So, equals to dabba r by dabba u1 bracket square. Second, G12 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u1 into dabba r bar by dabba u2. G13 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u1 into dabba r bar by dabba u3. Then G22 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u2 into dabba r bar by dabba u2. Dabba r by dabba u2 into dabba r bar by dabba u2 equals to dabba r bar by dabba u2 bracket square. Then G21 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u2 into dabba r bar by dabba u3. Then G23 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u2 into dabba r bar by dabba u3. Then G33 equals to dabba r bar by dabba u3 into dabba r bar by dabba u3 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u3 bracket square. Then G31 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u3 into dabba r bar by dabba u1. Then G32 is equals to dabba r bar by dabba u3 into dabba r bar by dabba u2. Therefore dl square is equals to G11 into du1 square plus G12 into du1 du2 plus G13 du1 du3 plus G21 into du2 du1 plus G22 du2 square plus G23 into du2 du3 plus G31 into du3 du1 plus G32 into du3 du1 plus G33 into du3 square. Equation number 8. Equation number 8. This is the expression for length element in curvilinear coordinates. The terms Gij's curvilinear coordinate system. The expression for dl square. The expression for dl square. The expression for dl square, equation number 6 is written as dl square is equals to summation over I equals to 1 to 3 into summation over j equals to 1 to 3 Gij into Gij into du I duj, where Gij is equals to dabba r bar by dabba ui into dabba r bar by dabba uj. We can write Gij in metric form. Gij in metric form as Gij is equals to G11, G12, G13, G21, G22, G23, G31, G32, G33. Equation number 9. This equation number 9. The coordinate system for which the tangents to the coordinate curves are mutually perpendicular to each other is called orthogonal coordinate system. Thus, for orthogonal curvilinear coordinate system, we can write E1 cap dot E1 cap is equals to E2 cap dot E2 cap is equals to E3 cap dot E3 cap is equals to 1. we know that self dot product is 1. Then E1 cap dot E2 cap is equals to E2 cap dot E3 cap equals to E3 cap dot E1 cap is equals to 0. We know that with other dot product is 0. Then E1 cap cross E1 cap is equals to E2 cap cross E2 cap is equals to E3 cap cross E3 cap is equals to 0. We know that self cross product is 0. Then E1 cap cross E2 cap is equals to E3 cap. E2 cap cross E3 cap is equals to E1 cap. Then E3 cap cross E1 cap is equals to E2 cap. We know that with other cross product is third order. With other cross product with third order. Equation number 10. Equation number 10. Then E1 cap, E2 cap, E3 cap may change direction from point to point, and it is in this respect that they differ from ijk, which are constant for all points of space. Thus, for orthogonal curvilinear coordinate system, the metric coefficients g, I, j is equals to 0 for I not equals to j. For orthogonal curvilinear coordinate system, the metric coefficients g, I, j equals to 0 for I not equals to j. Therefore, the length element in orthogonal curvilinear coordinate system becomes the length element in orthogonal curvilinear coordinate system becomes dl square. dl square is equals to g11 into du1 square plus g22 into du2 square plus g33 into du3 square. Equation number 11. Or dl square is equals to dl1 square plus dl2 square plus dl3 square, where dl1 square is equals to g11 du1 square, dl2 square is equals to g22 du2 square, dl3 square is equals to g33 into du3 square. The scale factors and metric coefficients are related with each other, by the equations H1 is equals to root of G11. H2 is equals to root of G22. H3 is equals to root of G33. Equation number 12. Hence dl1 is equals to h1 du1, dl2 is equals to h2 du2, and dl3 is equals to h3 du3. Thank you.